fears, whatever it is on the outside, it could be shutting their eyes, you know, when they're showering. It could be walking down or walking off a ramp, a curb. We want to ask that, and then on top of that, we can start to prescribe or include exercises in our program design that will help with that functional movement, or help lessen their fear also. In my book, I speak about the importance of also gauging or quantifying not only their fears or their perception of their limitation, and that's done through, I use a fear scale, and you will see it in my book. I just briefly talk about it. It's just like the Borg scale of perceived exertion. It's similar, and we just need to rate it. And in my book, I speak about how before an exercise, if I speak fast, excuse me, I'm doing more than I was planning to do in my video. I'm very passionate about this and excited. So basically, I suggest, this is what I've been doing, I ask before they do a specific exercise that I'm already aware of, that they have a tremendous fear of. I give them a scale of 1 to 10, say a scale of 1 to 10. How much fear do you have with this? So 10 being like, I just can't do it. I just can't do it. And 1 or 2 is like, I don't have that much fear. So I ask that first before I do the exercise. Let's pretend they say it's an 8 or a 7. And then I would say, you know, we've done a whole bunch of stuff, and I know personally that it's safe. Let's give it a try. And then after that, they go through it. If they don't want to do it, then we wait till they're ready. So they go through the exercises, and safety is always number 1. And then I use the Borg scale of perceived exertion and say, on that exercise, can you tell me how difficult it was for you? They may say it was a 2. And then before the exercise, they had a fear of 8. So you see where I'm going with this? Or they may say it was a 7 or 8, you know? So that's why it's important. If their fear was an 8, and then they do the exercise, and then I ask them how was the challenge, and they say it was a 2, so clearly there was their perception of their limitation. If I wasn't there, or if you weren't there, would very likely not allow them to do that exercises and limit their ability.